Seneca's essay on the shortness of life, or De Brevitate Vitae, is a profound work that explores the fleeting nature of time and the human tendency to misuse it. Written in the form of a moral epistle to Seneca's friend Paulinus, this Stoic masterpiece examines how people waste life by engaging in trivial pursuits, filling their time with distractions, and avoiding personal growth. Seneca argues that life is not inherently short, but rather it feels short because people squander their time instead of using it wisely. Core themes and insights. The nature of time and life's perceived brevity. Seneca opens with the assertion that people often lament the shortness of life. Yet, he suggests that life only seems short because of how people choose to spend it. He observes that people focus too much on external pursuits, wealth, fame, and fleeting pleasures, at the expense of more meaningful endeavors, which makes time slip by unnoticed. The value of mindfulness and reflection. One of Seneca's most striking arguments is the importance of living fully present. For Seneca, real fulfillment comes from understanding oneself, engaging in meaningful relationships, and cultivating wisdom. He advises spending time on self-improvement, intellectual pursuits, and activities that align with our values. This mindful approach, he argues, helps people experience life more vividly. Misguided priorities and regret. Seneca critiques those who postpone happiness for the future, believing they will live once they achieve success, retire, or attain a specific goal. But by deferring joy, these people essentially waste their lives, as the future is uncertain. The essay cautions against letting life slip by in pursuit of fame, wealth, or other trivial ends. Seneca argues that those who spend time chasing such things often realize, too late, that they have not truly lived. Freedom through wisdom and philosophy. In alignment with Stoic philosophy, Seneca believes that wisdom and reflection allow people to reclaim time. He highlights the importance of philosophy, which teaches people how to distinguish what is essential from what is superfluous. Philosophy serves as a tool to help manage time effectively by revealing the nature of things and helping individuals recognize that many of their pursuits are unnecessary. Learning from the past, present, and future, Seneca encourages readers to use the past as a guide, the present as a focus, and the future with caution. His insights are a call to learn from past mistakes and live intentionally in the present. Rather than over-focusing on future plans, he emphasizes that each moment should be treated as valuable. Living in accordance with nature. Seneca also emphasizes living in harmony with nature, which in Stoicism means accepting life's limitations and focusing on things within our control. By embracing nature's rhythm and accepting that we have finite time, Seneca suggests we can make choices that bring peace and fulfillment rather than anxiety over what we cannot change. Literary style and accessibility. Seneca's writing is direct, structured as a conversational letter, which makes his insights feel personal and accessible. His tone is assertive yet reflective, addressing timeless concerns that continue to resonate. Seneca's eloquent and occasionally ironic prose highlights his wisdom, often drawing on metaphors and comparisons that underscore the urgency of making good use of time. Lasting impact and relevance. On the Shortness of Life has remained influential because it addresses universal truths about human nature and the human experience. The work is especially relevant today as it critiques the busyness culture, the allure of materialism, and the pursuit of status, common struggles in the modern world. Seneca's call to reclaim time and pursue meaning is an antidote to modern burnout, reminding readers that time is one's most precious asset. Critical reception and interpretation. While some readers interpret On the Shortness of Life as purely a Stoic meditation, others view it as a broader commentary on Roman society and values. Some scholars have pointed out that Seneca's life, a wealthy statesman who was close to Emperor Nero, seemingly contradicted his Stoic values. However, this tension has also been interpreted as proof of Seneca's own struggles with the concepts he espoused, making the work both deeply personal and relatable. Final thoughts. In On the Shortness of Life, Seneca offers a timeless guide for anyone seeking to live more purposefully. He argues convincingly that life becomes meaningful only when lived with intention and wisdom, and his advice feels particularly vital in our fast-paced, distraction-heavy world. The essay's core message, that life is long if one knows how to use it, echoes with anyone yearning to make the most of their time.